Stock number 9007, 2002 Chevy with a catering body. We're going to take a walk around. Here's the front right tire. Plenty of tread. Looks like relatively even wear. Looking pretty good. There are some minor scratches down here. Passenger door. It's the original finish. Everything else looks nice and clean. This is the inside of the right hand side, the passenger side. It has 4 shelves. One of them with a plexiglass door. Here's a shot inside the well. Stainless steel. Looks like it's going to need a holding tank. There's a napkin dispenser and a bag dispenser. It's also wired for sound, and there's a fluorescent light up top. The skirt above the rear wheels, which gives you access underneath. There's the rear tire, same as the front, decent tread. Commercial TA radio, BF Goodrich. There's a bottle opener. Trash receptacle. Here's a shot of the exhaust. It's running right now. No excessive carbon or smoke or anything like that. Come around to the rear. Rear bumper's in nice shape. It's got some lighting. This is the steam tray area. Steam cabinet, 4 doors, 6 racks. Thermostat. And then we have the condiment dispensers, condiment trays, probably a decaf, hot water, and regular coffee. Cup dispensers, napkin dispenser. And here we have the access door to the water heaters, coffee heaters, thermostat, which are run on propane. There's even a rack up above there that you could probably store some extra goodies. There's your access to fill your propane. It's a pretty big tank. I can't tell how many gallons. Let's see if we can look at it from underneath. Yeah, maybe about 7 gallons, I would say. Here's a look at it. Here's that other tire on the driver's side rear. Same thing, balanced, nice shape, good rubber. And then here's the driver's side well, which is refrigerated in some way or another. And the shelf, lighting. Fuses. Here's the driver's side. Everything clean and nice. Onto the interior. Door panels are real nice, clean. No rips or tears in the seats. Upholstery good, clean. Mats clean. 82,166 miles. If I can get that sunshade out of there. Removable face CD player. And the lights. Refrigerator. And the horn. Take a look under the hood. There's the left front tire. It is missing a hubcap, center cap on the outside on this side. Grill's in nice shape. The hood's in nice shape. And that's a 6.0 gas. Running right now and purring like a kitten. No leaks. Nothing abnormal. Everything looks to be very well done. There's that upper mat. Even that's in nice shape. Here's a view of the outside of the doors. Some minor surface scratches along here. Corner a little bit bent right there. A slight dent right there. Corner bent there. Some minor scratches down here on the skirt. And a little scratch right along there. That's about the worst of it.